Hi everyone, here we've got ASUS Zenfone 7 Pro and let me show you how to block a number on this device. So first of all, we have to enter the dialer, and it doesn't really matter if you will be on your recents or contact list. Simply tap on this three dots icon in the right upper corner and tap on the settings. As you can see here, we've got call blocking and blacklist, so let's enter. And here we've got two options which we can activate. So here we can decide if you want to block the numbers which are not saved on your contact list, or we can block calls from hidden numbers. If you'd like to turn on the feature, just tap on the switcher on it, and from now on they are active, so your device will block all of those numbers. What's more, let's tap on the blacklist, and as you can see here, we've got actually our blacklist, which right now is obviously empty. If you'd like to add a number to it, just tap on this plus icon, and here you can choose it from contacts, choose from recent call logs. You can enter a number manually or enter a SIP number. I will show you, let's say, two options. So let's begin with choosing something from the contacts. So let's tap on it, and as you can see, we just been transferred to our contact list, so we can find the contact you want to block. Simply tap on it, make sure that it is marked, and tap on this tick icon. As you can see, it immediately appears on our blacklist. Now let's add it manually. So let's tap on enter a number, and as you can see, now we've got our keypad, so we can easily type a number we want to block. Let's tap on OK, and the same situation, it also immediately appears on our list. So as you can see, from now on your device will block all incoming calls and text messages from the numbers. If you'd like to unblock it, just tap on it and hold it. And here you can decide if you want to remove it from the blacklist. You can view the contact, you can block, and here you can decide if you'd like to block calls and text messages, which is the defaultly set option, let's say, or you can block calls only. But I will pick remove it from the blacklist. Now your device is asking if you really want to do it, so let's tap on OK, and as you can see, it immediately disappears. So from now on you will receive all incoming calls and text messages from that number. So actually that's all. This is how to block a number in your ASUS Zenfone 7 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.